Hi friends, we are doing a long hair transplant and you can see I've taken out the strip with long hair. I'm going to tell you the technical difficulties of doing this. The problem is long hair, the strip process itself becomes very difficult. It takes much more time to save the adjacent hair, not to damage the adjacent hair. And in between the adjacent hair, it gets very difficult to actually see the incision line. So that is the first difficulty. Second, during slivering the hair is long and the process becomes much more tedious, much more slow. The biggest difficulty in a long hair transplant is the implantation. Before that is the spacing part. Spacing of course gets more difficult if there is existing hair. It's a little easier if there is very less hair. Once the space is made, the implantation process is easy, but the long length of the hair makes the process more slow. So it does not make the process more complicated, it just makes it more slow. Because once the hair is in, if you're not careful, the adjacent hair can come out while we're implanting the next one. So that is the process, but we are pretty well experienced in long hair transplant and we've been doing this for a very long time. The process takes much longer than normal. That's the only difference. And our teams are well geared to handle a long hair transplant.